Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we're taking a look into the charts, and this is a trade I did today, last night. I was at one point very convinced because of, about this setup. Price was 49.5k. Bit later we broke it, and a bit later we touched it. Perfect trade. And sometimes I post my trade setups on Twitter. Yesterday, after I brought out the video, I was pretty sure of a target, and I posted that as a comment as well and pinned that to the last video. So make sure to sometimes keep an eye out on that if I change my mind after a video. Today, or right now, the S&P 500 bounced pretty quickly on this news. The US House Democrats aim to pass a 1.9 trillion COVID relief bill. And basically that's inflation, and everything pumps on that news. So yeah, of course I tweet a Bitcoin on that. Bigger picture over here, or like the total picture, we see a nice bearish retest of this resistance over here on the Dixie. Higher time frame, well, a little bit higher, go to the weekly. We wanna break this level over here. I think it's gonna happen. We see this trend line broken over here as well in the S&P 500. We were drawing that yesterday during the video, and probably new all-time highs for the S&P 500. And that means Bitcoin probably follows. So yesterday we've been talking about why I was bearish, and I saw funding positive. And right now we can start to see on Bitmex discounts happening over here. If you zoom in, we can see that you were just getting below it. People are getting bearish at the bottom, and that is for me what makes a bottom. Over here we could see the very clear bottoms. If everybody starts to short it on leverage, we make bottoms, just like we did over here, did over there. Very easy trade. Over here we can see it going negative as well. So yeah, we're close to the bottom. I think we had the bottom, might go for another visit, but I would say we are bouncing and the low is in. That is my personal opinion, not a fact, of course, or financial advice, but I'm very confident in longing over here. Mind your risk, mind your reward risk ratios, of course. Ethereum pretty much following Bitcoin, of course. We of course broke this big trend line just like we did on Bitcoin, but let's zoom in a little bit more. If Bitcoin bounces, Ethereum likely follows. So let's go into the smaller time frames. Right here we can see a very clear thing going on. I would say this. And this. This is where we are in right now with Ethereum. I'm very bullish on it. We're just making higher lows over here, and probably walk up the stairs in this channel. There are some resistances, of course, and as you can see, the VPVR is very clear over here. This is the level until 1800, 1800 and a half, I would say, is the level we need to clear for Ethereum. But Ethereum can do very wild things. So it is looking quite good for me for Ethereum. This specific level is very important. Wick on it over here, toppy on it over there. Very important level for Ethereum, and this is the level they need to break. I'm bullish on it. I'm long Ethereum. Ethereum BTC. At the moment, not good. Just being honest over here, we want them above this level over here. This is the level I want them to break. If they clear that, we can go full steam ahead to 0.05. As you can see, the VPVR is very strong here as well. So this level you need to keep an eye on. Bitcoin, and I'm looking at other charts now, Bitcoin is likely going to bounce here strongly while I'm recording this video. Very bullish on the lower time frames. AAVe did a good bounce over here, making a higher low at the moment, and probably will break this level again, or I would say this trend line over there. That is the trend line they need to break. So that is around, let's say, $425. That is what I'm seeing on AAVe. I've sold my AAVe around $500. Not looking to get back in anytime soon, but I know some of you are. Yeah, I'm not interested in it. I'm very happy I sold around $500. Leo, still very much a Leo bull. Look into the fundamentals. It has to do with Tether, it has to do with Bitfinex. Yeah, Bitfinex is basically where the whales come together. And yeah, fundamentally, I'm very, very bullish on Leo. Do your own research on it. Chart is very clear to me. Doing some retests over here and some consolidation, but I can see this one going very high. Do your own research on the fundamentals. Fundamentally, I am very bullish. ADA on the daily, looking not that bad. Almost just a little bit higher, and they engulfed the previous, well, red days. So yeah, very bullish on ADA over here. Looking good, looking to go higher. They are very high already, so mind your leverage, mind your risks. But yeah, it looks like continuation. Same for Matic, Sandeep's coin. Matic looking extremely strong over here. I can see this one going way higher than it is right now. Just looking at the candles, I don't know anything about the fundamentals. Yeah, do your own work when it comes to fundamentals. I don't know any. I'm just looking at charts and liquidity. And with altcoins, most of the times I am just looking at charts. When it comes to altcoins, that is basically what I'm doing. And Doge breaking out over here. Doge is looking very good over here. Big bullish engulfing on the daily. And yeah, I mean, this is very bullish. Doge can really break up here. It's a big meme coin, of course, but yeah, it can go up here, definitely. Let's take a look at the fundings on Bitcoin, refreshing them. And FTX negative, Bitfinex and Bybit flat, I would say. Yeah, it's looking very good. I do not like Bybit. Predicted is positive, well, quite positive again. And that is not something I like, but I am thinking we can short squeeze this pretty high. Pretty high. Let's take a look at some targets for it. Let's remove everything, remove the drawings, and let's take a look at some targets over here. Well, this was the first one. This, I think, is the second one. Lines up perfectly with the VPVR as well. I would say, yeah, 52K. Other places would be, I would say, around 55K. And then, you know, we're already coming close to the all-time highs. Yeah, not seeing anything clear, anything else in the chart. It has to do with where people long, where people short. And right now we're just making a higher low over here. So I think next logical step is 52.5 kinda. And yeah, we just have to look at it level by level. See where people enter their shorts, see where people enter their longs, and that's how we should take this. Doge, you know, Doge can go to all-time highs or higher over here. I'm not that bullish on it, but you know, the chart is looking good. Leo, big buy. ADA, yeah, surprisingly, they're very high, but looking very good. Matic, very high, and surprisingly, looking very good. So yeah, I hope you guys, yeah, had some help from this video. Dollar looking weak, just how we like it. S&P bouncing up, and that is very good for crypto as well. Like it or not, crypto follows the SPX 500 very good. Also, the Nasdaq Top 100 is correlating very much with Bitcoin. And guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to hear during these videos. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow.